guys, my name is Jesse from Jesse's Aquatics. And today's video, as you guys saw the title of this video, it has shown that beginner's aquarium setup. So, yep, this is the aquarium I need to set up. So, yep, there is no mollies can suit in this, no guppies can suit in this, but what can suit in it? Yep. So, guys, in my last video, I have shown you guys that about the suspend fish. So as I got the females, so this thing was still in the temporary tank. So okay, just for the video, I just got her in her temporary tank. So she is in a temporary tank. Okay, other betas got their own aquariums. So while setting up this aquarium, I wanted to make a video on this. So right now, this is the aquarium we are going to set up today's video. In today's video, just a sec. So guys, we have the aquarium set up. So we are going to have it in this place. So guys, we have the below glass right there. So we need a substrate for this aquarium, because when these betas, right, they are like a pretty aggressive fish. So when my female beta just sees her own reflection at the very bottom of the aquarium, so she'll just go aggressive. So right now I got a little bit of sand. As you guys could see, I got the sand out here. And I'm going to straightly add the sand. So this sand consists of beneficial bacteria out here. So yeah, we are going to add the... Hey, come up. Just a second, guys. We are gonna throw the sand in there. So guys, the sand is now coming out here. So there it is. It has come out, and I'm gonna get a little bit more sand. So I got a little bit more sand there, and we are gonna add that. Get out, sir. Get out, mister. Okay. Has got out of there. Okay, let's add a little bit more. So guys, I have added the aquarium sand in it, and I have a hornwood plant here. Hornwood or guppy glass, we can say anything. We will be adding this one right here at the very last, so we'll just keep it aside. So guys, we got the beta fish in the holding tank, temporary holding tank. So okay, so the cube itself is the same size of this, so it can hold the same amount of water. So guys, I'm just holding phone in one hand and the other hand this one. It's a pretty hard job. So guys, just a second, guys. So guys, I have moved this little statue out here. So right now we got a little bit place out there, and right now we are slowly gonna add that girl straightly into this aquarium. So this water is totally cycled. As she's been living in it, there will be no difference in that. So we'll just slowly pour that. And here she is. So the aquarium is pretty cloudy, because of the... Okay, sorry. Yep, the aquarium is pretty cloudy, so I gotta cover up the bottom a bit more because of all the sand which I have added, guys. So I'm just covering up. So right now I'm gonna get a little bit more water just to make sure that the tank has a little bit, has a little bit more place. So guys, this tank itself is for beginners, guys. So beginners, any beginner can have a female beta started in it. So male betas need a bigger tank than a female. So female betas have shorter fins. They can swim anywhere and anyhow. So right now, right here, okay, we have the fish in it. So I don't think we need to add the fish right now. So right now I'm going to remove her using this glass right now, guys, because of avoiding all the water. She will be a little bit disturbed, guys. So I got a little bit of water in there. I got the beta fish in my hand. You guys could clearly take a look at her. So guys, just make sure that the beta doesn't jump out. So any fish, bro. So guys, I have added her in the glass. This is her new temporary holding tank. This is a pretty stressful aquarium, guys. So not even an aquarium, but a little glass. So guys, little steel glass. So I'm going to cover her up. There she is. So I'm going to cover her up just like that. So there are some little dots in it. So right now I'm going to get a little bit more water in the aquarium and I'm going to set it up. So guys, the video is set, the aquarium is set up. So we are going to get this female right here into that tank. So guys, I am of course going to plan some breeding with this female. I have 2 more females which I have shown you guys in the suspense fish part 2. So I'm going to slowly add her in. Just like so. Here we go. There she is. She is in the aquarium having fun. So I'm going to make sure that all the sand which is just distributed all over the spot is gonna go into the same spot. Okay, so right now we got the sand all set up and we gotta get the plant in there. So hornwood right here. So right now we got a lid for this aquarium, and there the lid goes. You guys could clearly take a look. So yeah, the female beta is set up, and thank you for watching this video, guys. You guys can try this. This cube costed me around like about 150 rupees. In American dollars, I can say it's $2 to $3 for each of these. So these cubes are pretty good. We got the plants, we got a fish, and thank you for watching this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one, and bye bye.